Hi guys! I'm Mommy Vey, the founder of Pumping and Ice, and for today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng product from Super Mama Love. This product is a flow lactation massager. It is called the world's first hot and cold lactation massager. It is made to soothe your sore breast and to relieve clogged ducts. So we have a Type-C cord, a manual, and of course a dust cover that we need for our massager. It has a tri-relief plate, different temperature settings, packet size, and it is very convenient for us moms to just carry it. Meron siyang mga mode controllers, mga vibration and temperature controls, and it has anti-slip grip. It is FDA approved soft silicone. It has a charging port. Mas targeted yung mga milk ducts when we use this massager. So this is a power button. Long press mo lang siya and then magpa-power on na siya. So hindi pa siya nag-vibrate upon opening it. One press mo lang siya, magko-cold na siya. So this one na part is magko-cold na siya. In just second, ang lamig na. Shucks, my favorites na ginagamit sa gabi after skincare or during skincare because ang lamig. Aside from soothing your clogged ducts, you can use it on your skincare. Of course, meron siyang heat feature, which is the warming mode. So yung warming mode, it has 3 temperatures. So the first one is at 38 degrees Celsius, and when you click it again, reddish orange na siya. So it is 40 degrees Celsius, and of course on solid red, it is 42 degrees Celsius. So it helps kasi yung mga hot compress that we need, our sore breast or our muscles, our sore muscles, or our muscle pain, dysmenorrhea, if ever, pwede targeted na siya. If I had a sore muscles or I had a clogged ducts, grabe nagpapainit pa ako just to have a hot compress. Siya targeted mismo dun sa clogged ducts na gusto kong ma-relief kasi nga mahirap ng manual. Alam mo yon, yung ginagamit mo talaga na binababad yung compress, mainit na tubig tapos na mo, tapos super basa ka na after that. And of course, sa cold compress, just in case, ice, lalagyan mo ng bimpo and mababasa ka na. But this one, it is targeted and switches from cold and hot. Just a second. Want to use the vibration of this one, especially if you use it to massage your breast for your clogged ducts. It has a relief mode and expression mode. If you click it again, bibilis yung frequency niya and bibilis ng bibilis. For us mommies na multitasker talaga, why not get a massager that is also multitasker? This is a must-have for us Pumping and Ice, and see you on my next vlog, Inay. Thank you!